Hello friends, welcome to CTC. Today we will see how to set path variables in Windows. I'm using Windows 7. So first we need to understand what is an environment variable. Environment variables are dynamically derived values, name values, which affects the behavior of your process on your system, and these are the part of the environment in which your process runs. And path variables are environment variable which encompasses .exe files, executable files, and so when you type javac command on command prompt, then the operating system will look for the javac.exe file. So we need to show that file's address to the operating system. That's why we need to set the path variables. So right click on the computer icon, advanced system setting. Under system properties, you have environment variables. Click on this, and under environment variables we have two kind of the variables, that is user variables and system variables. So user variable is limited to the current user which you have used to log in. For example, you might have two different user account on your system, one for an administrator and another for guests, something like that. And if you set the variable under user variable, that setting will be limited to the particular user which you have used to log in. And if you switch to another user, then the setting will not be there. You will have to set it again. And if you set the variable under system variable, that will be shared among all users which you have on your system. So I recommend to use or set variable under system variables. So first let's start the command prompt. Now I'll type java -version to see the version of my Java JDK. Okay, 1.8. Here you can see I haven't set path, though it shows the Java version Y. So you can see here system root system32. It is the location of system32 directory which is on C drive. I'll show you where it is. Here under Windows you can see system32 folder which has Java launcher tool, that is java.exe. When you install your JDK, it copies that java.exe over there. If it hasn't copied java.exe over there, then it will show that it is not recognized command. So let's see what it shows when I type javac tool. Let's see version. Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So there are different ways to set the path. Here in the path, okay, here under the system variables, click on the path variable, click on edit, and here you have to copy the program files. Go to the program files, Java JDK 1.8 and bin directory. You have to copy the location of bin directory of your JDK 1.8s here and put a semicolon. Okay. You will have to restart this command prompt so the changes get reflected. Now let's see the javac compiler's version. It shows 1.8. So there is another way you can set the path variable. You will have to create a java_home variable under system variables. Now I'll first delete this bin location. Okay, now you can see it is not recognized. Okay, so in the environment variables under system variables, create new variable. If you don't have java_home variable, see I don't have java_home variable. Just click on this new java_home. Here you have to copy the location up to directory. I'll copy JDK 1.8 directory location and paste it here. Okay, and in path click on the edit, type percentage java underscore home percentage backslash bin semicolon. Okay, okay, okay. Now again restart command prompt, java version, obviously it will show 1.8 and java must show 1.8. Now why I was recommending to use java underscore home, because there are some applications like Apache that requires java underscore home variable setting, and probably you might have different version. The way I have here java 1.7, JDK 1.7 and JDK 1.8. now probably I have a different application that uses JDK 1.7. I want to use the 1.7 to compile or run my specific application. So what I need to do is just go to this environment variables under system variable. I will have to change this location to JDK's location, JDK's 1.7 location. Okay, restart this java minus version. You can see now we have 1.7 java version, and let's see the javac versions 1.7. so this way you can easily switch between different versions of JDK and javac tool. So it is better to use java underscore home variable. And one thing you need to keep in mind, that sorry, not here, in path variable. Okay, if you cut this and paste it here at the end of this address, then operating system will take the value of this directory java.exe, because whichever the leftmost variable, because it takes the leftmost variable's value. So that I just cut that address java underscore home bin and paste to the end of the variable values, appended that value to the end of the variable values. Let's click OK, OK, and we'll restart this. Now you can see it shows java version 1.8 and 1.7 for javac tool, because here the leftmost variable in the path is this directory's location, which is here in the Windows system 32, this java exe. So that's why operating system takes the value of leftmost, whichever appears first, it takes the value of that variable. So it took the java.exe 8 version, you can see here in the tooltip text 8.0.1120. so it took the java launcher tool of 1.8 version and javac tool of 1.7. so that's why what you have to do is you just have to cut this and paste it here and click OK, 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 and restart command prompt. You can see now java version will be 1.7 and javac version will be, obviously it was already 1.7 as we expected. So this way you have to set path variables. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please check out my other videos too, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. It makes huge difference. Thank you.